This 10-piece VERONES glass meal prep set combines larger and smaller containers, so it works just as well for full meals as it does for snacks or leftovers. The borosilicate glass feels sturdy and heat-resistant, allowing you to move food from the oven or microwave to the refrigerator or freezer without worrying about warping or cracking under normal use. Snap-locking lids with silicone-style seals clamp down firmly, which has kept soups and sauces from leaking in my bag and helped meals stay fresh longer. Because the glass does not hang on to odors or stains the way plastic often does, these containers stay looking clear and are easy to clean in the dishwasher when the lids are removed. The mix of shapes stacks neatly in the refrigerator or a cabinet, so even with 10 pieces, the set does not hog storage space and is convenient for weekly meal prep. Overall, this set feels like a practical upgrade from plastic containers, offering safer materials, better durability, and more reliable sealing for everyday food storage.